Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Edmarys and I am back with a hair product review video. I was at Target and I picked up this gel right here from Shea Moisture. I don't know if this is new, but it was the first time that I've seen it, so I decided to pick it up, especially since the Manuka Honey line is my favorite line from Shea Moisture. I love the way it smells and I really do love the moisturizer, not the moisturizer, the conditioner and the mask. I use those all the time. So they have this one, and then they also have the other one from the hibiscus line. That's the one that I was gonna get initially. Is that how you say it? That's the one that I was gonna get first because it says anti-frizz, but this one says Max Hold Gel, so I picked this one up instead. It opens like this. It has a little white protector, but I already took that off. It smells so good. It's not the consistency, I mean, I don't even know how to describe it. It's a little bit more watery than the Kinky Curling Custard, if you guys have tried that one. It's very similar, but this one's more watery. That one's more of a jelly consistency. This one's more on the watery side. So I did go on the Target website because that's where I picked mine up, and it has really bad reviews. Out of 29 reviews, it has 2 stars. It retails for $10.99 and you get 12 ounces, I believe. Yeah, you get 12 ounces for $11, so that's not bad. One of the reviews says that it leaves your hair flaky, and I think that's true. I haven't used this product on my hair, but I did use it on my son's hair a few days ago, and within a few hours, he did have some flakes on his hair, and he has really soft, I mean, his hair is curly, but it's not as frizzy as mine. He has like a really nice soft curl, and he got flakes, which is really weird. So that's something that I don't like in a product. And that is something that people are leaving in the reviews. It has a lot of 1 stars. But hey, you can knock it until you try it, right? So I'm gonna try it for myself and see how it works. For the directions, I'm sure it's the same as every other product. If I could find the directions, where are the directions? Okay, here it is. It says, apply to wet or dry hair using fingertips, style as desired. Use a small brush to help lie down flyaways at the edges. So let's just go ahead and test it out and see how it holds up on my hair. Hopefully it holds up good because I don't feel like doing my hair again in a couple of days. So hopefully it'll give me at least 3-day hair. 4-day hair would be awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my part and start applying this all over. That looks super crooked. So I bought some candy corn yesterday when I was at Walgreens. Who else loves candy corn? Oh, it's so good. I know I'm not supposed to be eating this because it's nothing but sugar. It's just so good. And I only buy it around this time of the year, you know? So, it's okay. Who else has a love-hate relationship with a diamond brush? I do, like hardcore. Because it slips off and I hate that. Do you know how many times I've been using this brush and it slips off, and once this slips off, it opens up in the back and all these bristles fall out. So you have to insert them one by one. It's just the most annoying thing in the world. I think they did it like that so you can kind of take it out and wash it and rinse it, but it just comes off way too easily. It's just a pain in the ass. All right, let's go in. It smells so good. I wish I could show you guys like the texture of this thing, but I don't know if you can see that. It feels, I don't even know how to explain it. I just know the feeling. It definitely doesn't feel anything like the Kinky Curling Custard or the Cantu gel. Those are both awesome. I've been using the Cantu gel for the past month or so. It's just so good. I still get a little bit of flakage, but that's not a deal breaker for me because it's not excessive. It's just a little bit. It doesn't feel like this at all. And I like to apply a lot of product, okay? When I test out products, I like to test it out on its own. I don't like to use a leave-in or anything like mix it with anything. All right, I think I'm done. I don't like the way my hair feels at all, but I'm gonna try not to judge it just yet. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse, and then we shall see how it looks right after I diffuse and in a few hours as well. And as always, I will be back on second day and maybe third day, it depends, because I need my hair done this week. So if it doesn't look good tomorrow, I might just wash it off tomorrow and try something else. So let's diffuse. Oh, the pumpkin is my favorite. So I'm done diffusing. It feels sticky. That's the only complaint that I have right now. It doesn't look bad. I haven't fixed it up yet, so it's kind of like disformed and stuff because it's drier in some parts and wetter in others. So I don't like the way it feels. It feels very sticky, and when I touch it, my fingers then feel sticky. So that's the only thing I have to say for now. I do have to go out and run one errand. I'm not getting out of the car. If not, I would fix my hair, but right now I don't want to fix it. I just want to let it air dry, and then I'm gonna go in and fix it. But this is what it looks like so far. It doesn't look bad. Again, the only complaints I have so far is that it feels very sticky. So we'll see the way it looks and the way it feels when it's fully dry. So I'll come back later and give you guys an update and my thoughts. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours, and I mean, I'm not sure if you can tell, but my hair is so stiff. It's like, it's really stiff and it feels sticky. Not as much as it did when it was damp, but it still feels a little sticky and is very, very stiff. I'm gonna go ahead and separate some of those finger coils that I did and just run my fingers through it and see if I could get a little bit more volume and to see if it'll loosen up. So I'm gonna do that and see how it looks. I mean, I'm not mad at the way it looks. It looks pretty good. It really my frizz is pretty much taken care of. And I like it. I like the way it looks. I just don't like the way it feels. So that's where I am so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play with it a little bit and see if I can get it to look a little bit better. Yeah, it feels really rough. It doesn't look crunchy, but it feels crunchy. It feels like I have glue in my hair. That's exactly how it feels. It's not a good feeling. It's so stiff. It's just not. I'm hoping that tomorrow it'll maybe feel better, because right now it's just not feeling very nice. Look at that. It's just like super stiff. Separating my hair definitely made it look a lot better. I have to tease up here, hold on. Okay, there we go. I do really like the way it looks, which I wasn't expecting to like the way it looked in the beginning based on the way it felt in my hair. But I do like the way it looks. Again, I'm gonna repeat myself, I just don't like the way it feels. Hopefully tomorrow after I sleep on it, maybe it'll loosen up a little bit and feel a lot better. So I will definitely check back tomorrow and tell you guys how it's feeling, how it's looking, just an overall update. So that's it for day one. I'll see you guys tomorrow on day two. Okay, so I'm back on day two, and this is what my hair is looking like so far. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but my hair is hard as a rock. It is so crunchy. I mean, it's just insanely hard. Like insane. I did put some water in my hair just to kind of loosen it up a little bit, and it did get a little bit looser and softer in some areas, so that was really nice. I did have some flakes that appeared here in the front, but I just got rid of it with a little bit of water and it didn't come back, so that really wasn't a big deal. If I were to rate this, I'm in between a 3-star and a 4-star. You know, I mean, it says hydrating design and max hold gel, so it's doing exactly what it's claiming to do. It's giving you a max hold. So because I couldn't find a lot of information on this yesterday when I was on the Target website, I went to the Shea Moisture, and they do have a lot more information when it comes to this product. So on the website it says that this is a moisture and define with this alcohol-free gel that provides long-lasting hold to keep dry, curly styles in place without hard crunchiness or flaking. So those two things are inaccurate. So I definitely want to try this product out 2 more times, different ways. I want to use it again on its own, but only apply a little bit, because this time around I was heavy-handed with it. I applied a lot, and I really want to try it with a leave-in conditioner. I do think that if I use it with a leave-in conditioner and then apply a little bit of this on top, I think it'll work great that way. I just think if you use it on its own and you go heavy with it, you're gonna get crunchy curls. They do look really defined, and I have 0 frizz, which is amazing. I mean, when it comes to that, it's definitely doing what it claims to be doing, but it's just a little bit, it feels a little bit too sticky and too rough for the way I like my hair to feel. I mean, it looks nice, it just doesn't feel great. It feels really, really rough. I mean, it's kind of like, it has pros and cons, you know what I'm saying? And it's so stiff, I don't want to touch my hair, which is a good thing because it kind of stays in place. But yeah, I mean, those are my overall thoughts. Back here especially, it just feels really, really crunchy and just really stiff. So if you are someone who doesn't mind the stiff crunchiness, then you will definitely love this product. It really does tame the frizz. It really does define your curls. That part is true. It smells amazing. The consistency feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on the hair at all. And then for the cons, you do get a little bit of flakage, and it's really, really stiff and crunchy. So I'll give it 3 or 4 stars out of 5. It's not horrible. And like I mentioned, I really do think it'll work great with a leave-in conditioner, and then you just put this on top, but just like a little bit, because a little bit does go a long way. And I do want to try it again. Maybe I'll do a video, like a round 2, to see how it holds up with a leave-in conditioner. I feel like with a leave-in conditioner, it'll be really, really good. So yeah, so this is an okay product the way I applied it. I think next time around, I'm gonna love it. Because right now, it's just okay. Right now, I like it. It's okay. But next time, I think I'm gonna love it. So yes, that is my review for this product. I hope you guys found it helpful. It's not bad for the price either. You get a lot of gel for like $11 or $12. And it smells amazing. I really do love Shea Moisture, the brand itself. I personally love it. I don't have anything against Shea Moisture. Their products are hits and misses. Not every single product works for me, but the majority of them do. They're a great brand overall. And this Manuka honey lime smells so good. I love it so much. So yes, have you guys tried this gel? If you have, let me know how it worked for you. Did you like it? Did you not like it? How did you apply it to your hair? I would honestly love to know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.